Love the magnetic removable surface for easy cleaning, very detailed work, made an octopus with chain link legs, they flop around like plastic chain. How does it do that kind of magic right in front of you? Amazing. Once you get the hang of it, this printer is a workhorse that can print finely detailed objects at a high resolution and fairly high speed. I usually do 50-70 mms. It only takes about 90 minutes to assemble and get it printing. Take your time and make sure all the screws and columns are aligned, and keep the Allen keys at hand to adjust if necessary. The quality of the prints compared to those that cost around 4 times more. This Pro version of the Ender 3 is significantly better built compared to the standard version, and the power supply heats the bed a lot faster and quieter. This is my first 3D printer. After watching many reviews and setup videos, I settled on this model. It took about an hour to set up, and another hour or so to tweak the settings, bed level, E-steps, flow rate, etc. I have been getting some good solid prints from this unit. I have been using it for my son's D&D sessions and he absolutely loves the prints. If you are considering an entry-level printer, you could do worse. Overall, I really like this unit. I'm a geek and like making things. I design electronics for a living and have a keen interest in mechanics. I have been lusting after a 3D printer for some years but never quite got there. But when I saw the Pro version of this for $220 shipped, it was a steal. It took me about 5 hours to build. The manual they give is enough if you're mechanically minded, and there are lots of YouTube if you aren't as confident. The thing is nice and compact and went together very smoothly. Everything fitted nicely, with no oddness. It felt solid straight away. The first thing I did was look up the setup, and it's basically just leveling the bed. This was really easy following a YouTube video. I then loaded the tiny amount of supplied PLA filament and tried a test print. To load the prints you need to get a model, usually in STL format, and use a program to slice the object into layers. I use Cura as it's free and very flexible. It supports the printer right out of the box and has profiles for different plastics and quality levels. The default Cura PLA 0.2mm is spot on and I cannot improve upon. The prints have amazing detail and can be made very strong, high in film. I have also used PEEK filament in 0.2mm and 0.4mm quite successfully. I am avoiding ABS due to the fumes. PEEK is outdoor proof and strong anyway. Once you've run the slicer program you get a G-code file. This goes onto an SD card and into the machine. Click link in description for more reviews.